This video about Crisis Communication Management Training course by Sorbonne Academy. Crisis communication is an initiative that aims at protecting the reputation of the organization and maintaining its public image. Crisis communication specialists fight against several challenges that tend to harm the reputation and image of the organization. Crisis communication specialists strive hard to overcome tough situations and help the organization come out of difficult situations in the best possible and quickest way.
Crisis Communication Management is a 5-day training course on how to plan crisis communication strategies, systems, and resources. This course covers how to ready your communication function to respond rapidly and effectively in a crisis to manage perceptions in media and online. You will learn best practices in crisis communication strategy, issues mapping, risk assessment, systems, teams, protocols, and resources including crisis manuals and online tools. The course participants will learn how to handle difficult questions from the media. How to best come across on radio and TV are explored, as well as how to brief journalists during a crisis. Social media, as friend and foe, during a crisis is examined, and how best to defend against online reputation damage and ensuring image restoration is achieved.
This crisis communications training course will enable you to communicate effectively with online, broadcast, and social media. Engage key stakeholders. Keep control of the situation. Devise crisis management processes aimed at mitigating potential crises in their organizations. Demonstrate the benefits of using the media in a crisis situation. Evaluate and prioritize the dimensions involved in crisis communication management. Analyze and interpret results achieved through crisis communication management. Secure your reputation and minimize damage. Transform the crisis into an opportunity. Refine your crisis communications plan. Rehearse and test procedures and processes in a safe environment. Avoid common mistakes in handling information flow. Sorbonne Academy, enlightening training.